Yoga is really all about connection, listening to what you need in the moment, connecting to the world around you, and recognizing your authentic self and how that self fits into the bigger picture. For me, the connection between yoga and real estate is really in connection itself. You know, a realtor working with their client is connecting with them to find what they want. And hopefully someone finding their home, that's going to be a place of connection for them. I mean, a house to me is like a cardboard box versus a home. I feel like it gives that something else a bit of meaning. What I love about what I do is just being able to help people every day. I just really want people to know about this studio and come and see what it's all about. All of our teachers are just so down to earth and so just genuine about doing what we love and encouraging other people to do what makes them feel good, and whatever you're looking for, you're going to find it here. In real estate, that comes down to finding out what exactly they want in their home. In the yoga room, it comes down to being able to maybe shift their perspective on what they can and cannot do. For me, success looks like just knowing yourself. It looks like knowing what you need in a certain moment and being able to give yourself that, and having the sense of autonomy over your own life to make those decisions for yourself and not feel obligated to do something just because it's what everyone else is doing, but doing what you want and doing it with confidence.